Hi guys, I'm your host Ali Khan, and today we are going to learn about how to create queries in SAP by using SQVI, SQ01, SQ02. Queries in SAP are report building tools, and functional SAP consultant can use them to develop simple ad hoc reports. This video will talk about the transactions code SQV1, SQ01 and SQ02, which can be used to create these queries. SQ1 is a simple ad hoc report that can be written directly in the production system, meaning there is no need for transporting information between systems. So let's start with first I will tell you the tables which we are going to use for reports. So these are the three tables we are going to use it: EKKO, EKPO and EKKN. So EKKO is for PO header, EKPO is for the line, and EKKN is for the assignment. So tables, if we need tables from PO header, we have to use this table. If we want to take any field which is in the line item, we have to use this table. And same with this, any account assignment like journal account, cost centers, it is in the bottom of the PO, and the table which has all the information is EKKN. So let's start with this. First we go to query ME21N. We find some purchase order, so we'll just take the last purchase order. So see, this first portion is the header portion, PO header, and the table is EKKO, and this is the line portion of the PO, and all the fields, material, short, queries, it is in the table named EKPO. And anything is at the bottom, account assignments like GL account if you want. For this portion, and the table is EKKN. So means that we will make a report which has all these three tables, and we can select any of the tables. Okay, let's start with the report SQVI, and then I will tell how to convert SQVI into SQ01 and SQ02. SQVI. So we can make any report, like this is the, I'm just making a new report, or it is already there. I'm just making a new report. Conventionally we start the report start with Z. So Z underscore anything, you can write it down. So we will create this report. Wait a second, I will make it 6. So any title you can write, I'm just using the same report. And if it has one report table, you can write one. If it is more than one table, you select join table. And basic mode, select this. Now these are just add tables from there. So our first table is EKKO for the header, PO header. Then our next table is EKPO for the line item. EKPO. And third is for the account assignment, is EKKN. So just press this button, it will save it. So it is there, all these three tables are there. See, these are the table names, and in that table what are the fields, whatever the fields, these are there. So again, in that there is two options, list name and selection name. Selection name is that when you are running a query, it will ask you that what you want to select. List means that when the data is fetched, what do you want? Like for purchase document number, I don't want to select it, but whatever the data comes, it has a purchase number, so I select this, and its technical name is this. Company code, this I want a selection, but I don't want to see in the data. Purchasing document type, language, if you want English, or if their data is in English, French, or some other language, you can filter the data as well. Purchase document date, so I just want to select this, but I don't want to see in the data. See, whatever I am selecting here, it is coming also here. List item, because only one is listed, but in selection there are two items. So if you check this, it is coming there. So I will go to the next table, that is EKPO. This one, EKPO. In that, some of the things are repetition. See, purchasing document number, this. If you select this, it will come again. Material number. Okay, I want this in the list as well as in selection. See, company code is again coming, but we don't need it. And purchase order quantity, if you want, but make it simple. I just want this. And now I go to the third table, EKKN. EKKN. So just click this. In that I want a GL number, not in selection, but when the data is there, I should want to see. Cost center also, and I think that's it for the example. So these are the lists that it will come in our report: purchase document number, material number, GL number, cost center. Selection, you have three parameters to select: company code, purchasing document date. And sort is that how you want the data will come. Like data will come, and there's four parameters. Purchase, we want our data for it should be sorted with respect to material number. So we just copy this, go to sort, find this. So it will come here, just select this, and so data will be sorted now. This is ascending and this is descending, whatever you want. So now save this thing. So it's mean everything is done. So go back, save, yes. So it is not there. Select this one, it is already selected, and either you can run from here or execute. See, company code is selected already. Purchasing document, these are the three list item. First we run it like this. See, cost center, everything is coming. And material is, there is no material in this PO because these are service PO. But if we want to select, because we sorted according to the material, so there is null value, so 0 is there. But after that, if we do it descending order, we can find the data. See, this is the biggest one, 465, and like something 7465. After that it is decreasing. So this is sorted, this data is sorted according to material number. But if we do like this, ascending, we can do one more thing. I will tell you, like go back, and we just want that only POs which has the material number should come. So we go there, we say that not equal to 0, we select this. So not equal to 0 means any value which has 0 should not come. If it is equal to 0 means that any data which has the material value 0 should come, but I selected not equal to, so only data which has material number will come. So run this report. See, only data with the material is coming, and it is ascending, starting with this and this. There's no, yes, okay. So one more thing, just want to show that if you want to add variant, how to add the variant. Like I just want to date, I'm just adding the variant, that whenever the report we run, date should be this. So we save it, it will ask variant name, we can write it 6 date, and what we want that date should be protected. Whenever the report is run, and this date will come. See, whenever we write, it is grey out. Now it is protected. Or you can hide it if you want. You can hide it as well. Like hide this field. Click this. It will hide this field, and same. Save without value or something like required value. Make it mandatory or something like this. So you can run this thing. Data will come. So this is SQVI. Now we go to SQ01. So both we can use it. Okay. So the simple is, for me, I always use SQV1 VI first and then convert into a SQ01. But you can start with SQ01 as well. But it is easy in SQVI to convert into SQ01. So now we go to SQ01. Almost the same, you can say, interface. First you have to make sure it should be query mode, standard area, not global, so everyone can see it's standard area, client specific, and your user group. So our user group is this. So we want to save this here. If you want to run this, it will not run. See, execute, because see the message coming has not yet been created. We have to first create here, because this report is created in just to tell you, this report is created, this mm66 cc6 is created in SQVI. Sorry, we created this report in SQVI. Now we are creating this in SQ01. 02 is to just to change, or if you want to change for 01 you do. So we made this report here SQVI, and now we are converted in SQ01, As I told you, you can directly also create SQ01 this report. Same procedure, nothing different. So we are converting SQVI report into SQ01. So convert quick view. Click this. This is a report we made in SQVI. Just select this. If you want to change the name, you can change the name, or you can use the same name. Info set also. See, it come in your user group. Your user group is SAP team, it is coming there. So it is already selected. Now, as first we execute without the variant, then we with variant. See, purchasing document there. You can run this thing. Same thing will come. Material with the 0 value, and this will come. Now we want to run with the variant. So select your report with variant. We just made one variant for this report. This. Select this. See, variant this. It is grey out. You cannot change the report. So that's it. You want to export it, you can export in spreadsheet, word processor, different. It will ask you how to export it in Excel. You can download even with the pivot table. You can do this. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video, and until for the next video, until then, goodbye.